Hello, my name's Evan from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q5 Edition 1 45 TFSI Quattro. It comes dressed in the sleek Mythos black, short turn heads on the road, and at the time of this recording the car's done 19,750 miles, rolling on 20-inch alloy wheels and a 5V spoke design Audi Sport in gloss black, making every turn bold. For added convenience, power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your everyday-to-day needs, as well as those large items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish cross-stitch leather upholstery with a centre armrest with two handy cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg room for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with Audi Virtual Cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S-embossed logo and front centre armrest, with electric seating adjustments and a 4-way lumbar for added support and comfort. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi Virtual Cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi Virtual Cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces a breeze. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, the wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by activation of the car's Bluetooth, into the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead, back onto the main menu and into media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to listen to your favourite DAB and FM radio stations on those long journeys, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 3-zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature with the added luxury of heated seats for those colder mornings. Stay connected on the go with the 12-volt USB charging point and a hidden compartment to keep those phone wires, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to their car's profile. If this is the one for you, call 01782 488 205. Thank you.